Hello friends, today I'm going to explain a BroadLink RM Pro remote. You can buy it from the eBay, Amazon, AliExpress. You can configure it to your mobile phone and you can control through the mobile phone. Let's see the specifications. It is working with Wi-Fi connection and Bluetooth, and input voltage is 5 volt and using current is 1 ampere, but when you are working it is not get 1 ampere. It's working with 200 milliamperes and 300, like that, and the working frequency is 433 megahertz. That's very important thing because your remote have some different frequencies. So if you work with the remote, so this megahertz with remote and your RM remote must be compatible with same megahertz frequency. Now I'm going to show you how to disassemble RM Pro. So you have to remove these screws. My RM Pro is working, this thing is 50 feet long. It can transmit the frequency and it can operate my gate and fan. This is the inside of this remote, very small circuit it has. Just like this. It has a metal surface for absorbing heat.